Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are taking very good care of yourself. You all are keeping yourself safe. Welcome to Explore More Learn. Before starting today's video, I would like to give you an example. Okay? So I have told you 100 times to subscribe this channel. Why am I saying this? Have I ever told you 100 times to subscribe this channel? No. So I have used 100 times here to make this a statement and overstatement. This is just an example. Okay? So, such kind of overstatements are used in a figure of speech. What's that? It is hyperbole. It's a figure of speech which is also known as a literary device. You got it? But I'll explain it to you in detail with examples. So do not skip this video and watch it from the beginning till the end. Alright? So you should know what is hyperbole first. Hyperbole is making a statement emphatic. How? By making it overstatement, by exaggerating it. So we make a statement emphatic. That means we emphasize something. We want to give stress on something. How? By making it overstatement, by exaggerating it. So it is often used to represent things greater or less, better or worse than they really are. This is the way to exaggerate something. I told you, by making it overstatement, by exaggerating it. How do you exaggerate? By representing the things as greater or less, better or worse than they really are. The things are represented the way they are not. So the meaning is not intended to be taken literally. You got it? So you say something by making an overstatement because you want to emphasize on something. You understand? So you represent the things greater or less, better or worse than they really are. How? For example, he's as skinny as a toothpick. So here, what do you want to say? That a person is very thin. But can a person be as skinny as a toothpick? No. This is just an overstatement because you want to say that a person is very thin. So this is an example of hyperbole. Another example. Her smile is a mile wide. You want to say that she has a broad smile, but you are using a mile wide, which is not possible. It's an overstatement. Why? Because you want to show that her smile is very wide. Her smile is very broad. So that's why you used a mile wide. So this is an overstatement and this is an example of hyperbole. Another example, he is stronger than lion. Here you want to say that he is very strong. But it's not possible that he is stronger than lion. It is just an overstatement. You are exaggerating something. And this is an example of hyperbole. So in this way, we make a statement emphatic by making it an overstatement, by exaggerating it. You got it? So this was all about hyperbole. If you have liked this video, then please press like. And don't forget to subscribe this channel by pressing the bell icon so that you may get notification for the next video. Take very good care of yourself. Very soon I'll bring another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.